Dear students, especially freshers and some of the continuing students, you might have money you want to pay for the future. It could be a deposit of fees that you want to pay, or even you want to pay for whole, and you don't know how to go about it. What you need to do is come to get payment reference. You click that and it will open up and you can see for future use. So if you want to say deposit 1 million for your tuition, or say a certain amount of money like 700,000 for tuition, you'll come type in that amount of money and then click generate PRN. Payment reference number will come up. This is the number you'll use to pay in the bank or use to pay through mobile money if you have the money on mobile money. We have guidelines on our website already, and even this video has links to how you can pay via mobile money. It could be you want to pay for whole. I don't know how much it could be. Let's say 150,000. You can also do the same. Generate a PRN, and this money for whole will be allocated by, say, the bursar, to ensure that money is captured as well. Thank you, and let's keep building for the future.